Good day everyone, in this video I will show you how to set up this watch Casio W219H, and yes, it's basically using the same module code as W218H, so you can apply the method in this video for W218H also. Okay, first we will set the time. So to do that you need to go from this timekeeping mode, press the mode button 1, 2, 3, and now we are in the time setting mode. And then as you can see here, the second is flashing or blinking. You can make this one as 0 by pressing the 12-24 hour or the start stop button, and it will become 0 with additional minute if it is 30 or more, and it will become 0 without additional minute if it is only 29 or less. Okay, for example this one, I will press this button and it will become 0 without additional minute. Now I press the light button to move to the next item to set, and that is the hour. And yes, it will also trigger the backlight, so don't worry about that. Okay, now I press this button to increase the number. So 23, 24, and so on. Like this. So let me try setting maybe like this one, 17, okay. And then next we can press the light button to move to the next item, the minute. So for example this one, 48, let me increase by pressing this one, the start stop button at the top left, 49, 50, and so on. Okay, and then next we press again the light button on the bottom right, and this is the month. You can press this button on the top left to increase the number, 1, 2, 3, and so on. So I will just press until 12, okay, and then press again the light button to move to the next item. This one is the date, so press the top left button to increase the number, and then again the light button to move to the next item, the day, and this is Tuesday, so I can press the top left button to change the value, to cycle from Monday, Tuesday, and so on. And then after that you can press again the light button to move to the next item, which is the second, or meaning you are returned to the second setting. And if you're done with the setting, you can press the mode button to return to the timekeeping mode. And yes, you can also change the format from 12-hour format to 24-hour format, and vice versa, by pressing this button on the top left. So this one, 5 p.m. is also 17 at the 24-hour or military format. And then the next one, we will set the alarm on this watch. So to do that, we will go to the alarm mode. So press the mode button once and you are in the alarm mode. Press the light button on the bottom right, and now the hour is blinking. You can adjust by pressing this one, the start stop button. So I'm going to set as 5:30. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then press again the light button to move to the minute, this one. And yes, again the start stop button to increase the number at the top left. Okay, I press and hold until now. Okay, 28, 29, and 30. Okay, now already set the time, and I press the light button again. So now as we can see here, it's already set up 5:30, and then now we can select which features are active. So this one means that the alarm is active, and then I can press this top left button to cycle to the next option, and this is only the signal or the hourly chime active, meaning that the watch will give a beeping sound every changing of the hour. And then if I press again, it will move to the next preference or option, which both are active. And if I press again, both are not active. So for this video I will show you if both are active, and to do that by pressing this button several times until the icon is showing for both alarm and also signal. And then we can return to the timekeeping mode by pressing this mode button. Okay. Anyway, if you happen to already have this watch and annoyed by the alarm, so how to turn off the alarms? That's easy. Just go to the alarm mode. So press this button once, AL, and then press this button on the top left several times until both icons is not showing. So for example this one, you can press once and it's not showing any icons anymore. So it means that the alarm and the signal is not active anymore. And yes, you can return to the timekeeping mode by pressing the mode button on the bottom left. And done. Okay, that's all the setting for the time, date, and also the alarm for this watch, Casio W219H. Hopefully useful, and thank you for watching. See you again in the next video. Bye.